Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Window Tips Helpful, and in this video we are going to discuss that what is the future of Windows 11 and why should you pay attention. We will discuss all the new features introduced in Windows 11 by Microsoft. So let's get started, and before starting the video I request you guys to please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So Windows 11 has been finally introduced, but it is not released in the markets for the users to install it. But it is introduced, and all the new features uh, has been introduced in this Windows 11. And let's get started and discuss what are the new features that has been introduced by Microsoft. So the first feature that has been introduced and that is updated is that Windows 11 contains the new user interface, and it contains of 6 new different themes. In the past we have seen that Windows 10 also contains a very beautiful user interface, but now it has been updated and it will be more elegant than Windows 10. As we can see that the user interface of Windows 7 and Vista was not much on that level that was of Windows 10 or Windows 8, but now it is more updated and 6 new different themes has been finally introduced, and they are being implemented in Windows 11, and that you people can see when you install Windows 11. So moving forward, uh, Windows 11 contains of elegant taskbar, and the start button in Windows 11 is aligned in center. As you can see, I am currently using Windows 10. So my my start button is placed on the left side. So in Windows 11, the taskbar is also aligned in the center, as well as the start button is also placed in the center. You can customize in Windows 11 that you have to keep it on the left or right, it's on you, but by default it will be center aligned. And the next thing is the new dark mode has been introduced in Windows 11, and it is more interesting. As we know that Windows 10 contains the dark mode. The dark mode feature was basically introduced in Windows 10, but now it is more updated, and it's been more upgraded, and now we can see that the new dark mode in Windows 11, and that's a good step by Microsoft Windows. Appreciate it. So the next thing is that Windows 11 will contain an additional search button. We have seen that in the previous Windows version, whenever we want to search any kind of thing, any kind of application, any kind of folder, we just move towards the start button and we have to search here. But now the problem is solved, and Windows 11 contains a search icon, and it's a kind of different module, and we can search anything by clicking there. So the next thing is that widget feature had been introduced in Windows 11. You can add a widgets of news, you can add a widgets of any of your tasks, even you can add a widgets of your any of your application tasks in a widget feature. So it's a kind of interesting, and we can say that Windows 11 has put an ease of access on the user side, and with Windows 11 user can enjoy a lot according to multitasking. And it is an unofficial news that Windows 11 uh, uh, will give all the revenue, 100% ad revenue, to the app developers. So they are attracting more developers. We can see in the future that there will be a kind of more Windows developers that will develop the Windows apps store for the Windows App Store, because if this is true that 100% ad revenue will be given to the app developers of Windows, so it will be a great achievement for all the developers, and it will be a good step by Microsoft Windows, but it is not confirmed yet. It is according to the resources. The sources have declared this one, but it's still unofficial. So the next thing is that Meet has been introduced, and it is integrated directly in Windows 11, and Meet is very widely used for the online meetings, and now for the user ease of access they have integrated the Meet in Windows 11. And let's see that how many user will be benefit will take the benefit of Meet in Windows 11. And the next thing is that a snap has been introduced. Snap is a kind of layout, and it's been introduced that you can view your different applications that are currently running background. You can set the layout in a single window screen, and you can control them, and you can access them on the one page. So it's snap. It's also a good feature of Windows 11. So the next thing is that, and it's a great news, that Windows App Store has been finally updated by Microsoft. When the Windows 10 was launched and the people used Windows App Store, we have seen there are still a lot of bugs in Windows 10 App Store. So for bypassing that kind of stuff, they have introduced and they have updated the App Store version of Microsoft Windows, and it's a good step. We can say that it's a very good step, because you must satisfy your client, you must satisfy the needs of your client. Windows applications are not on that level, they're in a quantity or quality, as compared to the application introduced in Android platform or Apple App Store. But now I personally think the time has come that they are willing to do something new. They are willing to introduce something new to this world. So it's a good step. And the biggest news of Windows 11, and the news is that now Windows 11 will directly support the Android apps. So there will be a section of Android apps in Microsoft App Store, and where you can download directly almost all the Android apps, and you can use directly without any kind of emulator or any kind of mobile cloning. You can just click on that app, install and execute that app. So it's very good feature, and a lot of people of other platforms has been now attracted towards the Windows on behalf of Windows 11. So the next thing is that Windows 11, the one of the strongest reason that you should prefer Windows 11 now, it is best for gamers, because auto HDR mode has been introduced, where Windows is claiming that the auto HDR mode will be implemented according to the application you are using. They will implement the auto HDR mode. If that app supports the HDR, then Windows will automatically convert that app to the HDR mode during the execution. And there's one more great news regarding the Windows, that Xbox updates has been finally done, and they have been introduced by the Windows 11. Now you can get the Xbox Play Pass and a lot of things. And if we are talking about the gaming, then let me tell you that DirectX 12 new mode that is referred as strain mode, and it is also introduced in Windows 11, and it's very good news for gamers. And let's see how the people react to this, and how people buy the stuffs now, and how people converts to the Windows 11. So that's all from the features of Windows 11, and Windows 11 is the future. And these are all the features that I have told you that has been finalized in Windows 11, and hopefully Windows 11 will be uh, introduced for to you people, so you can buy it, or you can use it free according on the trial basis. So let's see what the Microsoft think about it. So that's all from today's video. Hope you guys like the video, and if you like the video, then please do subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any kind of update from my YouTube channel. Take care.